Hello friends, bless you and a happy holiday season to you all. I am coming to you from not my kitchen today to do a different kind of video. As you know, Christmas just passed and my parents do celebrate Christmas, so they sent me lots of goodies in the mail, and this year they stuffed my stocking with a vegan candy product that I've never tried before from No Whey foods. No Whey's products are dairy, tree nut, peanut, and soy free. They're also kosher and vegan, so no matter what your allergy or your lifestyle, chances are you will be able to eat No Whey's products, which I think is really cool. The more universal the dessert, the better, especially when it comes to candy. Since I've never tried these snacks before, I thought it would be really cool to share my first impression of them and what they taste like and how they hold up to regular sweets from what I remember. So let's see what I got today. First up, I've got No Whey's vegan chocolate bar. It looks like there's some kind of nougat in the center of this, so I'll be really excited to try it out. Since I have been cutting back on my processed foods and junk food sweets, this will be a nice little treat to have for the holiday season and break up my whole foods diet a little bit. This will be my cheat treat. Next up, I've got a bag of Choco No-Nos, which appear to just be something like M&Ms with natural food coloring on the outside instead of being a bunch of vibrant, crazy colors that are made with bug shells. I also got peanut cups instead of being filled with peanut butter like a traditional Reese's cup would be. These are filled with sun butter, which I have tried before. I used to work at a bakery called Aaron McKenna's and we used to make sun butter cookies. So I know sun butter is pretty good and I am really excited to try it in these peanut cups. And lastly, in this little box, I got just a regular milkless chocolate bar that should just be nice to have, a sweet little treat. And since I am not normally a fan of chocolate by itself, just plain chocolate, I'll try the milkless chocolate bar first to, I don't want to say get it out of the way, but I know that there are other things I'll enjoy more and I want to save the most delicious for last. This is what the little chocolate bar looks like. It comes with, what? It comes with 12 little rectangles like this. So I'm going to break one off. So this chocolate bar is really smooth, and normally I don't like chocolate bars by themselves. My mouth's watering. So this chocolate bar is really smooth. Normally I don't like chocolate by itself because it's too sweet and I need something to break it up, but this is actually pleasant. It's not overly sweet and I don't feel like my teeth hurt when I eat it. Plus it isn't chalky or unpleasant. You know how some chocolates just don't have a good mouthfeel? This is really good and I like it. I think I'll actually be able to eat this by itself without feeling like it's too much. It's really good. I really like it. It's smooth. If you've got allergies and you need a chocolate bar, that's good. That right there is good. I should mention this video is not sponsored. I'm just out here trying snacks and sharing my opinion. Next up, I'm going to try the chocolate No-Nos, the Choco No-Nos, which are like the M&Ms. Looks like I've got mostly orange and green in there. They're not particularly sexy colors, but they don't need to be. It's candy coated chocolate, for goodness sake, so let's give these a try. It tastes like an M&M. It tastes just like an M&M. Crunchy candy shell, easily melted milk chocolate center, also not too sweet. They don't have that shine from shellac, which is what makes most candy shiny and isn't vegan, so you know it's more natural. I don't know if you heard that crunch, but it's got a really good crunch. So if you like a chocolate candy with a little texture, but you don't like stuff inside your candy, then this would be good. Let's see if I can pick up the sound of the crunch on the mic on the camera. little ASMR for your video. It's a tie between the last two, so I'm just gonna grab the peanut cups and give these a try and see how they stack up to a regular peanut butter cup. I like that they don't come wrapped up in extra paper. We don't need that. Just pull it out of the package and let me shove it in my mouth. Thank you very much. This is also really smooth and really good. Normally I find peanut butter cups have too much peanut butter. You know how I feel about peanut butter, but I always feel like I can eat it with chocolate, but the ratio is always off. There's too much peanut butter. And this has the perfect amount of sun butter in there. It's just a nice creamy layer to help contrast and offset the chocolate. And it tastes good. It tastes freaking delicious. You bet your button when this camera goes off, I'm going to be devouring these because they're not too sweet, but they're, as you can tell, they're not too sweet, but they're also making my mouth water. They're so good. And I'm probably going to be ordering this candy on my own for my cheat days, especially when I move. I'm going to need to bring snacks with me, like plain snacks. I want to have something sweet, vegan and healthy with me instead of trying to find something while I'm out and about, just in case I get a little bit of a sugar craving while I'm at the airport on the plane. I'll have something to eat. And on to the final snack, the No Whey chocolate bar that I think is filled with nougat. Let's touch it open. Ooh. I like the little pattern on this one, the little chocolate swoops. And I don't know if I mentioned earlier, but these snacks, the company is also gluten-free. So if you got gluten allergy, don't feel left out. These are for you too. I just don't know if I said it earlier. It is definitely reminiscent of nougat on the inside. It looks / tastes like there might be caramel in there. And oh yeah, I can see it. Hold on. It's really good. I don't know how to describe it. Yeah, it's nougaty. It's like a little thin layer of caramel. And it's really good. It's, once again, not too sweet. I think the nougat helps keep this from being too sweet with all the chocolate and caramel. It's got not a bad texture, the nougat, but it does add a different texture to the chocolate. How all the rest of them are just smooth and creamy, which is nice. This one has a little bit of a different texture because of the nougat, and it's not as smooth, but it still has a pleasant mouth feel. I don't know how else to describe it. If I'm rating them from least to most favorite, mind you, I loved them all, so even the least favorite is still really good and I would recommend it. I would have to say coming in fourth place is the Choco No-Nos. Just a regular M&M, nothing super special, good candy, nice to snack on. In third place would be the Milkless Chocolate. This is probably one of the few chocolate candy bars, plain chocolate candy bars that I can eat by itself without like feeling like it's too much, which has never happened before. So definitely love it, but I still do love chocolate with things inside of them. In second place, the package is demolished. In second place, the No Whey chocolate bar. I really like it. I like the flavor, and I feel like I could just go to town on these. Like when I was a kid, I used to love Snickers and stuff like that. This reminds me of a Snickers bar without the peanuts, and I really like it, and it just throws me back to my childhood a little bit, and I appreciate this candy bar. But the top spot definitely has to go to the peanut cups because it's a kind of peanut butter cup that I enjoy, and I actually like the flavor the best out of all of them. And you saw me take that second bite. I really like this one a lot, and it's definitely worth trying. Are you like me and you'd never heard of No Whey's candies before? Or are you a die-hard No Whey fan and know other treats that I should be trying from that company? Let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be happy to try any other No Whey products or any other vegan and zero waste products that you would like me to try. This video is not sponsored. I just thought it would be fun to share. I got it for the holiday season, and with people having so many allergies and not being able to join in sometimes, it's nice to know that you can have a classic candy bar or M&Ms or something like that, so that you or your kids or whoever can enjoy sweets and candies with everybody else, just like everybody else. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like if you like my Santa glasses, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. But for now, eat well, I know I will be, and travel often. Have a great rest of your year, and have a great day. Bye.